Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to show you Excel tips and tricks which will help you a lot. So I have started this series from today, so I hope you will subscribe to my channel and don't wasting of time. Let's get started. So here I am in my Excel. So let's get started. Here get data from web. Did you know you can pull data from a web page into Excel? For example, let's go to a web page. So we are going in our web page called X-Rates. This website provides the exchange rates of various currencies. I'm going to take a look at US dollar conversion rate in the rate tables. Now that I have this table information available on the screen, I am gonna copy this URL. I'll copy this URL, go back to Excel, go to data, and you can go from here also, or get data from web, or I will go from here from web. After that, I paste this URL and hit OK. That goes to that web page, connects to the data and bring up the different tables of information available. Okay, I will now go to connect. And it's connecting. So here you can see the three tables, so whichever you want you can get from there. So I will be choosing this one, and after that I will be going to load that table. I will load this table. It establishes a query and connection to that table on the web page, and it pulls my data into the spreadsheet. You can see here it's loading and it's showing into my spreadsheets. I can now reference this information just like other table in Excel. Now that we have this data, let's go to here to refresh menu. After this refresh menu, you can get the latest data updated with this web. So in this way you can get this data and you can refresh this one. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share this video. Thank you.